Welcome to the Humane Society of Central Oregon Volunteer How-To Video Training Series. The use of a soft touch harness allows volunteers to walk shelter dogs safely, as well as begin training the dog to walk nicely on a leash. Each harness is sized properly to fit the animal in the kennel and can be found in the basket on the back side of the kennel. Before you enter the kennel, make sure the leash is attached to the harness on the leash ring. Enter the kennel with the harness ready in one hand, and always be aware of the body language of the dog. Slip the harness over the dog's head with the leash ring and leash resting on the dog's chest. You may need to sneak the harness on the dog by giving it treats or reassurance by talking with calm, reinforcing words. Some dogs don't like things going over their heads, so be cautious and sensitive to how the animal may react. If you crouch down to their level, it isn't as intimidating. It may be best to put the harness over their head with you standing behind them. Once the harness is over the head, the strap with the buckle will be positioned to be connected under the armpits of the dog. Occasionally, some small dogs or flight risk dogs tend to slip out of the harness. If this is the case, there will be a choke chain attached to the leash as well. Please use both to limit the possibility of the dog slipping out. Once the harness is secured, you are ready to leave the kennel with the dog. When you return the dog back to the kennel, unsnap the buckle, being careful not to pinch their skin. Usually the buckle is located under the right armpit. Gently pull the harness over the dog's head. Please do not unhook the leash from the leash ring on the harness and return the equipment to the basket on the back side of the kennel. If at any time you have questions about the use of the harness, please ask a staff member.